Hello guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you today how to edit your certificates, medicals, or any official or unofficial paper that is in JPG, but you want to edit some of the dates or name, you want to change anything in that. Let's say I have this is a medical report for for someone. Now what we want here in this, let's say it is a certificate, or it is a medical report, or it is a any specific paper that you just want to change their nationality, their date of birth, and their names. So how will change, and without affecting all these things, that how we will change within the document. We will not edit, will not add extra text or something that it will affect over this font size or font style. So let's say I want to change the name of this person here. So what we will do is, first of all, I have to clear this area. So there are two options. The first option, if you erase this one, if you press E, erase, so as you can see it will not work. And if you copy paste this, if you copy with the control C, or from here, or if you could press control V, and you will see it will create a new layer with the selection move tool. If I move this one, and it will change, it will take effect. But there is another way that I can easily remove this area. Now first of all, I will take copy of this handwriting, or sorry, font. So I will take this, I will come here in edit and copy, and then again I will click on the paste. Now I will take copy of this with a new layer. Now I want to clear this area, I want to delete his name. So I will select this one. Now you have to come here in this area, and you will select this patch tool with the control J. You can select, or if you press J. Now here we have to select background. Now as you can see, if you bring your cursor here inside this area, it will change. So what we'll do, we'll simply drag the area we want with the same, look like same. So if I bring it here, and it will automatically change without doing any extra things. Now I will, with the control D, I will deselect all the area. Now let's suppose I want name anything like I want to, let's say I want Lemon, his name is Lemon, or something else. So what I will do, I will, or his name is Lara, so I will take this one, LA, I will copy and I will paste it here, and with the selection moving tool I will bring here LA in this area. Now what we need, with the name of Lara, we need R, so we'll select R from here, and with the control C and with the control V I will take this also. Now we need R, so I will take A, we need A, so we'll take A from here, make sure that you have selected this layer 1, Control C and Control V. How I will take this area. Now as you can see here, we have edit his name. Now I will delete this layer. Now we need to add here, edit his date of birth in the same way. Let's say his date of birth is 1991. So with that, we'll select this area, and then with the patch tool, select this. Make sure you have selected this background and bring anywhere here. Now here you can see, now again what we need 1991, so we'll select this one, Control C and Control V, and then bring it here. Now we'll need number 1, so we'll again select this, Control C and Control V. As you can see here, 1991. Now same, it will work with the ID, and with your weight and height, whatever you want. Now here we have also name of this person, so we can easily select this area like this, or we will remove this patch tool, and then here. Now what you will do, now we'll see layer 1, 2, now select from here. If you're not getting this layer option, come here in the window and you can select, or even you can select by pressing F7, you can bring the layers option. Now select all these layers, right click on that, link layers, and you can see. Now press Alt button, Alt, and with this moving tool, drag it into here. So that is very simple way to edit your documents pictures in a Photoshop, your certificate. If you want to edit your documents in a PDF, I have given a link in description. You can go to my channel. There you will get the video name, how to edit PDF file. So I have given all the simple ways to edit PDF files without affecting any you can say area or font size or style. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, Dr. Mobo.